Yes, guys, you see? Look at this. Get rum cake for Christmas. Look at that. Man, not even that. Good cereal.
And of course, you know, say after you have a good old Gerry and W, you know.
Wagwan, guys. Today, I'm in Toronto and I'm here once again, yeah man, to visit Gerry's fast food. Yes, guys, right now, I'm gonna show you a little bit how they make their rum cake. Yes, their fruit cake. Alright, let's go inside and see what they're baking in the kitchen. Alright guys, so right now I'm here with Donovan. I don't know, you see Donovan from the last video one time we're here showing out the food. But Donovan, what go on?
Not much, you know. Not much been there, you know.
Bless up, man.
Hey man, I'll show you some, make some rum cake for Christmas, you know.
Yeah?
I make a lot of rum cake for Christmas. So today we're going to do some rum cake and show you how it goes, you know.
Alright. See guys, we'll bring in the kitchen and show you how Donovan make him rum cake.
Hey man, we see about the flour with all of the spices in it so that, you know, so your cake not come lumpy, you know.
Lumpy?
Yeah, you know, your cake come lumpy, so you want all the flour mixed out and everything, so you just sieve it out, you know.
Yes guys.
Yeah man.
So right here, so we have
flour with some, you know, your baking powder and your spices, you know. Your nutmeg, your cinnamon, your whatever else you want to put in there, you know. Some people put allspice, you know, different things, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, so everybody have their own recipe, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, so basically that, you sieve the flour with all your spices.
Yes.
And then, what you do now is you have to add it to the fruits, because you have your fruits as well. And your fruits are, this thing has soak all year, we have fruits that soak all year round, you know?
All year round?
All year round, because we make cake all year round.
Yes.
So it's just some only thing, so when Christmas time comes, then it go up a notch, you know?
Okay.
Yeah man, because we sell cake year round. One thing, so we sell whole heap more when Christmas time comes.
Okay.
Because, you know, we sell birthday cake and, you know,
all kind of cake.
Wedding
cake.
Red velvet, wedding cake, any kind of cake you want.
Alright.
Yeah man.
So, what you adding here so already?
Basically, this is your butter and your sugar. Your egg them, you know, milk if you depending on what recipe you have, you know, you have to use the milk. Just your flavorings them.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Basically that's why inside the salt already right now.
Oh.
So it's a little lemon flavor.
It's a little lemon flavor.
Yeah. I already put vanilla in it.
Okay.
Already put everything that's going on, you know. And of course, you know, say after you have a good old Gerry and W, you know. No Jamaican rum cake worth its salt is, you know, anything without the Gerry and W in it, you know.
Yes. You have to add your rum.
Yeah man, you have to add your rum, man. You know? So we're gonna add some rum, you know. Yeah man. Can you smell it?
You can smell it, man. Nice. Look at that, guys. See, make sure. Okay. Remember back home, you know, we used to do this, you know, we used to by hand, you know. Then we used to have the machine, right?
Yeah man, you have the machine. Hand you have to do it,
yes. Look at that, guys. Yes. Also,
you put little fruits too.
So you add the fruits now?
Yeah man. You add them alternately, you know.
Yes.
Make the one mix with the other and a bit more.
Okay, so you don't add all of it one time. Look at that, guys. Why we have it easy now, cause as what I say, remember when we used to do it with by hand, right?
Yeah man.
Just like that, guys. I'm talking about a Christmas cake, a rum cake.
And then part of the whole process back there is when you're done, everybody will get a chance to lick the beat of them, you know?
Yes. So like this now, so how much cake you can get out of this?
Depends on if you make, depends on what size one you make.
Yeah.
You can get like 12 medium, you can get 10 large. You know, this mix, basically we only make medium and large.
Yeah.
So basically you can get 12 medium one or 10 large one. Or you can get a mixture 6 large and 5 large and 6 medium. Depends on what you want.
Okay.
You know? Yeah.
Okay. So what is you doing now?
You make a circle for the bottom of the cake. It's a trick I learned from my father, you know.
Okay. That guys.
Alright. Yeah.
10 inch?
Yeah.
What the 10 inch?
Yeah. 10,
Yeah.
and this is a 9.
Okay.
So we're making a mixture today.
Okay.
So normally you can get 12 of them,
Yeah.
or 10 of them.
Okay.
So we get 6 of this today and 5 of this. Right?
Yeah.
So this is the finished product. We just have to stir it up, you know, and just drop it in the pan then. And then the next step is to bake them. You know?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Look at that, guys.
So, as I was mentioning to Kelvin, this week there's a program on CTV called Good Stuff with Mary Bird. So they emailed us and wanted to feature as one of the features. You know, they have a little black cake thing, so they wanted us to send them a black cake, which we did, and they had it on the show.
It is dense. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go.
You only really need a little,
Yeah, you only need a little.
right?
You know why some people call it rum cake? Let me tell you that.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that is delicious.
Really, really good stuff. So unfortunately though, my dad,
Not taking orders.
he's not taking orders
No.
unless it's from my mom, or maybe even you in
Maybe,
this
yeah,
case,
yeah.
right? But if you are looking for one that's great, head over to Gerry's Fast Food.
Okay.
Toronto institution since 1977. Gerry and his wife Millicent opened it, and they've been serving up Caribbean delicacies, patties, cakes, food, anything that you need. Their children have now taken up the mantle. They're running this business, and you can get a great black cake from them.
Okay.
What's going to differ from my dad's is, of course, like I said, you can order it. And theirs has a Jamaican rum.
Oh, okay, right on. I'm gonna get this today. Oh, we got it. I feel like
The 12th.
So it was the 12th.
The 12th of December episode of the Good Stuff with Mary Bird.
So you said, Donovan, you bake cake every day?
We bake cake every day, but not every day. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, we bake it on an as-need basis. Like, we don't bake them and put them down.
Okay.
We bake them as people order them.
Yes.
So as a consequence, there's more towards the weekend because that's when all the birthdays are. So like
Okay.
so mostly like on a Friday and a Saturday, you will see most of the decorated cakes outside.
Yes.
But you know, we bake cake pretty much every day.
That's
you know?
good.
Pudding,
See?
we bake pudding every day too.
Bake pudding every day?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Especially potato pudding, you know?
Potato pudding?
Yeah, man, that's a very popular item.
Yeah, they like a potato pudding.
Yeah, man.
So guys, you see, you can just come down here. You don't have to get your Christmas cake or your rum cake, you know. You can get your potato pudding and all of those stuff.
Potato pudding, bread pudding, cornmeal pudding.
Yes.
So you can get all the pudding, man. Your bread pudding, your sweet potato pudding, your cornmeal pudding, your cassava pudding, any kind of pudding you want.
Yes.
You know, I mean, I experiment to make a pumpkin pudding too, but I'm not finished that yet. Yeah, man, that's still in the R&D stage, you know.
Alright. I'll make sure I want to try that one.
Now put it out until it's perfect, you know.
Alright, sir.
So for me, I eat all of my experiment. You know?
And what I realized too, I see you weigh the cake.
Yeah, man, you have to weigh them, man. Yeah, man. You have to have uniformity, you know. You can't have some big and some small, and you know.
Okay.
All them try to make all them consistent, you know.
Yes.
You know. Yeah, man. After a while, you kind of get a good idea for judge, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Because sometimes you drop them and put them on the scale and it's the exact weight, you know?
Because you've been doing it so much.
You always joke and say, boy, I don't need the scale.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. And what you see him doing right here is just all order, right?
Yeah, man.
It's all order.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Well, we do them to order, but then usually when Christmas time come on, we try to do a little bit extra.
Yes.
Because a lot of people always forget and call me last minute. And a lot of times, usually we stop take order like maybe about a week or so, maybe about 4 or 5 days before Christmas.
Okay.
And then we still get a lot of regular customer call and no, don't forget to order, you know, and you know,
Yes.
ball. So sometimes I always extra just to accommodate the
So
late people, you know.
Okay. So for all who's out there watching now and they want a Christmas cake and they never get them Christmas cake in at the last minute, can they still reach out to you and get them Christmas cake?
Yeah, man, I'm not stop take order yet.
You know, stop take order
No,
yet?
no, you can still order.
Okay. Alright.
But if you make the Migla next week come, yeah, take your chances.
Alright. Yes.
By say like Wednesday, Thursday,
Yeah.
yeah, you know.
Okay.
Take a chance.
Take a chance. Because you're so busy, right?
Yeah, man. Cause I only remember saying I only listen. Some people don't like black cake, you know. They want like vanilla cake.
Vanilla cake,
Or
yes.
they want you know, some people want chocolate cake, some people all kind of cake. Any kind of cake you want, basically you can get.
Okay. Okay, guys. So,
Carrot cake, banana cake.
yeah.
You know?
So basically, you don't. It's not rum cake you can get. You can get any kind of cake
The
you want.
majority of them are rum cake at Christmas time. But if you want something else, you can still get it.
Okay.
So when you get close to the bottom of the cake, you have to like mix it out again, because sometimes the beater can't reach all of the spots, so you may just need a little bit extra for just mix it in.
Yes.
So when you get to the bottom, you have to kind of beat that extra little, you know,
Yeah.
make sure everything, you know.
Mix out.
Yeah man, the sugar, everything mix out, you know.
Yes.
Yeah man.
Man. Look at that, guys. Look at the texture on that, man. Nice texture, you know?
Yeah man. And of course when them bake, you have to throw a little bit of wine on it. You know, each time you break fruit cake when you come out of the oven,
Yes.
you have to throw wine on it, you know.
Okay.
Yeah man, so basically we're all set now, everything drop out. So we just have to get ready to bake now. Just put them in the oven and then, you know, wait maybe about another hour and a half before they're ready.
So, oh, it take about an hour and a half before
About an
it's
hour and a
ready.
half, yeah. You want it on a slow temperature. You don't want it too hot, you want it just slowly. You know?
Yeah,
They,
yeah.
like usually every cake can take longer to bake. So then better you bake them on a slow temperature, or like a lower temperature. You know?
Okay,
As
okay.
opposed to 350, you might say 325 rounds up.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Alright.
So that's what we're going to do now.
Okay.
So here we are, one of the finished product. Ready for go. Some people want it like this with no icing.
Yes.
You know, and then some people want it decorate. So, you know,
Okay.
ready for go, you know.
Yes.
You can smell the rum in it if you
Yeah,
want,
man.
you know.
Yeah, man. Can smell the rum in the head. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, man.
Nice and pretty. All they doing is just ready to icing right now.
Yeah, man.
Look at that, guys.
You know, yeah,
Just
man.
came out the oven.
Yeah, man.
Look at that.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
So here we have a finished decorated one.
Okay.
So some people like it like what I showed you previously without no icing. And
Yes.
some people want icing. So you can get your happy holidays, depending on your Merry Christmas, your season's greetings, whatever you want. Happy birthday, you know. Congratulations, anything you want to write on it, to write it for you. You know?
Yeah, look at that, guys.
Yeah man. So, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Like that. Yeah, man. So,
Yeah man, so you know,
anybody out there who want to make an order, just
call man.
call you.
Gerry's Fast Food, 724 St Clair Avenue West,
Yes.
416-652-0605.
That's how they can reach you.
Yeah man, and call, make sure you call before next week, Wednesday, Thursday, so, cause after that you take chances. You know?
All right.
Thanks for stopping by man,
Yes,
you
man.
know?
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
So thanks for coming by today. We're just giving you a rum cake and a bottle of sorrel.
Yes, guys, you see? Look at this. Get rum cake for Christmas. Look at that. Man. Not even that. Good sorrel. Yes. You know sorrel, right? Sorrel. Good Jamaican sorrel. That's it. Look at the cake, guys. And the smell. Oh gosh. You can smell the rum. So you know it's a true rum cake this. Yes. Go and go enjoy this. See you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, as you can see, we'll show you, we'll bring you right in the kitchen to show you how they make their Christmas cake. Yeah man, and if you haven't get your Christmas cake yet, make sure you go out there and order your Christmas cake. Yes, go and order your Christmas cake. And trust me guys, they're very busy. So as soon as you see the video, and if you need a Christmas cake, yeah man, call Gerry's. I'm gonna leave the number right in the description so you could go and call them, find out if they still taking order for cake. And even so, even after Christmas, anyway, they bake cake right throughout the years. So they make rum cake, as we can say. They make all different kind of cake. Yeah man, chocolate, red velvet, all those kind of cakes. So make sure say you contact them if you need any cake. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And remember, subscribe, like, and share. Have a blessed day.